Hello students, myself Pankaj Kumar and today I am going to teach you computer. In last video we had started the chapter Tools of Word Processor where we saw some basic work of word processor. Today we will discuss about formatting text. So let's start. Formatting text. It is the process of changing the appearance. Now changing the appearance of the document, that means changing the looks of the document, like changing the font style and font size, making text bold, italic or underline, paragraph spacing, changing the text color, alignment of the text, line spacing, bullets and numbering. So it's depend on user can change according to their desire. Okay, understood? One by one we will discuss all these tasks in next slide. Okay, now font group. Under home tab, the second group is the font group. As you can see on the screen, here we are having word application and this is home tab, and under this home tab here we have the first one clipboard and the second one font group. Okay, so font group allow us to change font style. From here we can change the font style. Font size, from here we can change the font size. Okay, font effect like bold, italic and underline. Okay, and more many things are here. By default the font type is Calibri. This is very important, so please learn. As you can see in this application, this is by default font style, but from here we can change the style. Okay, and the font color is black. Here you can see the font color is black, but we can change from this arrow. Understood? So this is very important, so please learn. Now changing font type and font size. For this, here we are having two steps which we have to follow. So step number 1, select the text to be formatted. This is the word application where I have written this. Okay, now according to first step I have to select the text. Now the very important, how to select the text. So exactly what you have to do, just press left click, hold it and drag as much you want. Okay, then release the mouse. As you can see it's in shaded form, that means our text is selected. Now step number 2, click on font style. Here we are having font style in font group. Just click on font style. Okay, now select the desired font type. Here we have list of font style. We can select any one from here. Suppose I want this one. Now you can see some changes done on the screen. Understood? This is how you can change the font size. Okay, now how to change the font size. The same way, we need to select the text, then need to go on font size. As you can see on the screen, font size, just click on this, you will get the list of size. According to your desire you can change the size. Suppose I want 22. Now you can see the changes done. Understood? This is how you can change the font size also. I hope it is clear to you. So today we have discussed about formatting text, where we understood to change font type and font size. So what is formatting text? It is the process of changing the appearance of the document to make it more presentable. Understood? Now what are the steps for changing font type? So here we have two steps. Step number 1, select the text to be formatted. Step number 2, click on font style and select the desired font type from the drop down menu. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.